Hi, welcome to the Mad Scientist's Kitchen, reinventing the foodie in you. Today, let's make some lemony mushroom pulao that is made with no oil at all. Yes, an oil-free pulao. But it is delicious, makes a wonderful one-pot dish that you can pack for your child's tiffin or your own tiffin box. You can also serve it for a dinner party. These are your ingredients. I will link it down in the description box. Soak the rinsed rice in vegetable stock. I have used vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock also. After soaking the rice for 20 minutes, I have added about 1 or 2 tablespoons of stock to a pot. I have eyeballed it. I am adding my onions and the finely chopped garlic. Mix and cook on medium heat for 2 or 3 minutes. Add sliced mushrooms. Add about 2 tablespoons of stock and cook for 2 minutes. Next, add the rice along with the stock in which it was soaked. Add the lemon zest. Pepper and the mint leaves. Salt, can't forget it. Add the stock. Mix well. Check the seasonings and adjust them. Now I will cover the pan partially and I will let the rice cook. If you cover the pan fully, what happens is that the rice overflows. So this is the way I cook it. Initially, once the water level comes down to the level of the rice, I cover it with a lid fully. Let's check now. The rice must be done. Yes, all done. Let's add the last ingredient, lemon juice. Lemon juice, if you cook, it disintegrates. So add it at the very end of your cooking. Fluff the rice. Cover and let all the ingredients marinate well. Vegan, oil-free and gluten-free mushroom pulao is ready for serving. When are you making it? Like, comment and share this recipe with your family and friends. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new posts. For simple, easy and delicious recipes, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.